How far off is Credit Karma really? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of credit scores, a 3-digit number with the power to make or break your financial dreams. But how do you know if the number you're seeing is truly reflecting your creditworthiness? Let's face it, navigating the world of credit bureaus and reports can feel like deciphering ancient hieroglyphics. Enter Credit Karma, the free service promising to unveil the mysteries of your credit score. But with great power, or in this case, free credit scores, comes great responsibility. Is Credit Karma actually showing you the full picture? Here's the truth, Credit Karma can be a fantastic tool, but it's important to understand its limitations. Let's break down exactly how far off Credit Karma might be, and more importantly, why. The Score Showdown, FICO versus VantageScore. The first key player to understand is the credit score itself. There isn't just one universal credit score, shocker, right? There are actually many different models used by lenders, but the big kahuna everyone wants to impress is FICO. Developed by the Fair Isaac Corporation, FICO scores are the industry standard used by most lenders when making credit decisions, like approving mortgages or car loans. Credit Karma, on the other hand, uses a different model called VantageScore. Both VantageScore and FICO use similar information like payment history, credit utilization, and credit mix, but they weigh these factors slightly differently. Think of it like grading a test. Two teachers might use the same grading scale, A, B, C, but one might be a bit tougher on multiple choice questions, while the other focuses more on essays. This difference in weighting can lead to discrepancies between your Credit Karma score and your actual FICO score. The good news? The difference usually isn't massive. In most cases, it might be a 20-point swing, but in some instances, it could be even higher. So, how worried should you be? Now, the big question, should you be panicking if your Credit Karma score isn't exactly mirroring your FICO score? The answer depends. If you're using Credit Karma to get a general sense of your credit health and identify areas for improvement, it's a great tool. The credit report information Credit Karma provides is typically accurate, so you can use it to track things like missed payments or errors. However, if you're about to make a major financial move, like applying for a mortgage, relying solely on Credit Karma might not be the best strategy. Here's why: lenders use FICO scores, not Vantage scores. So, while your Credit Karma score might be looking shiny, your actual FICO score might tell a different story. Beyond Credit Karma, getting the full picture. Here's the good news: there are ways to get a more accurate picture of your FICO score. Many banks and credit card companies now offer free FICO scores to their customers. You can also purchase your FICO score directly from the credit bureaus themselves. Here are some additional tips. Monitor your credit reports regularly. This way you can catch any errors or inconsistencies that could be bringing your score down. You are entitled to a free credit report from each of the 3 major bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, every year. Focus on improving your creditworthiness, regardless of the specific score. The goal is to build a strong credit history. Make your payments on time, keep your credit utilization low, and avoid opening too many new lines of credit at once. Credit Karma, friend or foe? So, is Credit Karma a friend or foe? It really depends on how you use it. Think of it as a stepping stone, a great way to get a general sense of your credit health and monitor your progress. But remember, for the most critical financial decisions, it's always best to get a hold of your actual FICO score. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.